Effectively managing a rental investment comes down to having airtight processes. At ProActive Real Estate Services, we have time-tested strategies and tactics to help you be a successful real estate investor. It starts with an initial consult. In this first conversation, we're going to learn about you, your rental property, and your real estate investment goals. We want to answer any questions that you have, set expectations, and build a long-term relationship with you. The second step comes down to analyzing your rental property with a free market rent analysis. We want to compare it to other nearby properties and determine pricing. The third thing we're going to do is prepare your property for the rental market. This is going to come with some recommendations on maintenance items, safety issues, and just overall compliance with rental laws. At this time, we're also going to maybe talk about curb appeal and how we could potentially position your property to appeal to a broad audience. Once we've completed those tasks, we're going to get your property professionally photographed by our marketing team, and we're going to list it across dozens of real estate syndication sites like Zillow, apartments.com, and many others. Once listed, we will begin a thorough tenant screening process. We're going to answer questions from applicants, and we're going to work hard to get as much information as we can from different applicants to ensure that you have a high-quality tenant in place. Once the tenant's selected, we'll move toward lease preparation and lease signing. That all happens digitally and electronically. We collect a security deposit, and then we move to move-in day. On move-in day, we want tenants to have a great experience. It's kind of a first impression when they move into your rental. So we'll handle move-in day communications and anything else. Once the tenant's settled in, we have ongoing tenant communication, ongoing owner communication, and just overall maintenance of the property. We're going to field maintenance requests, make sure that the property is well maintained, and communicate with you on any major decisions. With that comes maintenance coordination, and we always want all of our new owners to be prepared to make investments in their property so that it can be a smart long-term hold. Finally, we have routine inspections and lease renewals. Every 6 months or so, we'll want to get eyes on the properties to ensure that it's in good, safe working order and to make sure that tenants are in compliance with the lease. From there, we'll also make a decision about renewing leases, and we'll communicate with you and the tenant to make any necessary adjustments and make sure that rents are staying near market rents. So that's how it works. Obviously, there are a ton of processes involved with property management, but rest assured, together we can make sure that you have a good outcome with your rental investment, and that we work hard to get you the outcome that you want. If you have any questions or would like to get started, please don't hesitate to reach out. We look forward to working with you.